What's up, you guys? It's your girl Angela, and welcome back to my channel and to another fall themed video. I love the fall. I don't know about you guys, I love everything about the fall except for the dry skin this weather gives me. Can't stand that. So I rely heavily on my nighttime shower routine. I am a nighttime shower type of gal because there is no better feeling than going to bed feeling clean, hydrated, and moisturized. So let's head over to the bathroom. Hi, my loves. So before we even dip a toe in the shower, we need to set the vibes, okay? So I'm lighting up this chai scented candle I got from Home Goods. It just smells so good. And I am throwing on a headband because I like to wash my face outside of the shower, especially when I have lash extensions, or in this case, DIY lash extensions. Now, despite popular belief, I do not wear makeup every day, and if I did, I would double cleanse, but because today I am bare-faced, I am only cleansing once with this Cerave Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser. I love this stuff. It keeps my acne at bay. Fun fact, I saw this cleanser on TikTok, but the girl wasn't using it on her face. She was using it for her armpits, for her BO. Like, who would have known? So I had to pick it up, and I am gonna wash my armpits with it as well. But first, I'm just working it into my skin and then rinsing off with some cool water and patting dry with a washcloth. Next, I am I am putting up all this hair in a claw clip because it is freshly washed and I do not want to get it wet whatsoever. So I am going to add a shower cap. I always get made fun of for my shower caps. I don't care if I look like a grandma. I'm not getting my hair wet. And it is officially shower time. But first, let's get into the shower head because, baby, this is the star of the show. And I know. You're probably thinking, Angela, what's so special about a shower head? Let me introduce you to VitaClean, because VitaClean is a shower head that filters your water using vitamin C and essential oils to help improve dry skin and brittle hair. I've been using VitaClean for many moons now, and installation was a breeze. I felt like a plumber, okay? Who needs a man? And this is actually future Angela taking down the shower head to show you its components because it's too cool not to show you. Girl, you are looking at a triple filtration shower head that not only gets rid of mineral buildup that ends up on your scalp, but the vitamin C neutralizes chlorine, and in combo with the essential oils helps retain moisture. This vitamin C filtered shower head not only makes my skin and hair look amazing, I feel amazing because I feel like I'm in the spa every time I step foot in the shower. Now, you could have the most expensive, extensive, luxurious skin and shower products, but if your water has too much gunk in it, you're probably still gonna have a hard time maintaining that moisture in your skin and that shine in your hair. So if you get anything from this video, let it be this VitaClean shower head. And because I'm the coupon queen, of course I have a code for you. Don't forget to use code Angela10 at checkout for some money off. Okay, so it is finally time to hop in the shower. First, I'm throwing on my exfoliating gloves. I don't know about you guys, washcloths just don't do it for me anymore. Those loofah puffs harbor so much bacteria, and I could just throw these in the wash, and I feel like they work so well with my Dove exfoliating body polish. I love this stuff. It keeps my skin feeling super smooth and exfoliated. All I do is work that into my skin with the gloves and then rinse off in preparation for shaving. Now, to shave, I use an extra moisturizing shave syrup for my armpits and my lady bits, and my flamingo foaming shave gel for everything else. Look, babes, the more blades, the better. I have been using these Chic Hydro Silk Sensitive Care disposable razors forever. They're my go-to. Now, don't say I didn't warn you. My Cerave face wash is back for the armpits, and then I'm just washing my body with a concoction of Naturium, the perfect salicylic acid body wash, and Native's body wash in cashmere and rain. I love the salicylic acid body wash for my strawberry skin, but it is fragrance free, and I personally love a body wash with fragrance, which is why I go in with Native, which is sulfate free, paraben free, dye free. Just, it's a good body wash. Look it up. Now to wash Miss Kitty, I'm using Honey Pot's Sensitive Foaming Wash. This is fragrance free. I know feminine wash is very controversial. However, I personally don't feel clean unless I use some type of soap, and this is the most gentle one that I could find. The last step in my shower routine is this shower oil. I used to save it for special occasions, but every day I wake up is a special occasion, okay? So I'm using it tonight. Now I'm rinsing, and rinsing some more. And then Nala was so kind to throw me a towel. Thanks, girl. After drying off as best as I can in the tub, I make my way over to the sink and do a quick little change into my comfy nighttime robe. And we're throwing that headband right back on because it is time for our nighttime skincare routine. It's my favorite time of the day. I love all of these products so much. I cannot live without them, and I hate when people say that, especially influencers. I can't live without it. Yeah, you can, but no, I really can't. So because I've already cleansed my skin beforehand, I'm starting off with my retinol eye cream. Next, I'm toning with the Ordinary's glycolic acid toning solution. Shout out to my bestie for putting me on, okay? Because this transformed my skin more than anything else. Next, I'm going in with my retinol and niacinamide youth serum. This turned back the hands of time for my 32-year-old self. I feel like this is making me look younger every day. I don't know. I get told I look younger than my age, but you be the judge. When I tell you I've gone through 5 bottles of this Sephora Ultra Glow Serum since like March, I bathe in this stuff. I cannot wait for the VIB sale because I am stocking up. I'm buying every bottle that they got. You're gonna have to fight me for it. Now for a moisturizer that really marinates overnight so I wake up with super hydrated skin, I'm using the Peach and Lily Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. God, that was a mouthful. Now, what's a video of mine that doesn't mention a viral TikTok product, okay? And in today's video, it's the Laroche Posay Secoplast Balm B5. I don't know what's up with the name. I don't know what it means. And frankly, I don't even know what's in it, but it is so hydrating on my skin. It reminds me so much of the Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment. You know, that super hydrating mask. I used to use it all the time, but this is a fraction of the price. And you know I love to save my coins. And oop, I'm talking too much because we're already onto my face oil. This locks in all of the moisture and keeps me glowing. And now let's move on to body yaddy 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 yaddy. But first, let's do a hair flip for the people. Yes, girl. Tonight and every night, I turn into a chemist and mix Necessaire's The Body Serum with Versed Press Restart Gentle Retinol Body Lotion and Nivea's Essentially Enriched. This combo, though, is the cheat code. I normally do this naked, but this ain't OnlyFans. So we're gonna struggle a little bit here, but have no fear. I am fully moisturized, okay? And lastly, I am sealing the deal with Neutrogena's body oil, locking in all that hydration and marinating overnight. Okay, this headband can finally kick rocks, and we can move on to my last and final step, which is applying my Maison Margiela Replica by the Fireplace fragrance. I just don't feel complete without this on before bed. I don't know, I'm weird. I apply perfume before bed. I spray it on me. Everywhere else in my apartment, I can't get enough. It's the most perfect fall scent. But that is all I have for you for today. Parting is such sweet sorrow. I will see you in the next one. Watch me struggle with my light a little bit though, because yeah, I'm a mess. Okay, bye.